We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting names of famous places around the US, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. This is a resort and national historic landmark located in Palm Beach, Florida. Famous in particular for being where the residence of former US President Donald Trump is located. So this is a Spanish name that means mar, meaning sea, to lago, meaning lake. Sea to lake, essentially. In Spanish it is said as Mar-a-Lago, Mar-a-Lago. In English or American English, however, this is normally said as Mar-a-Lago. Mar-a-Lago, pretty straightforward once you know. Mar-a-Lago from Spanish, Mar-a-Lago. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of famous cities and famous places around the US. Thank you kindly for your support. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.